Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into your US bank account. So, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and search for US Bank, just like that. And once you've done that, go ahead and download and install this application onto your device. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click on open, and there you go. You are into the application now. In order for you to go ahead and create an account, all you need to do is click on create username and password right down over there. And it's going to take a while to go ahead and load for you. So just patiently wait, and there you go. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and enter your account number of your US bank or your card number, and simply go ahead and enter your last four digits of your SSN. Once you do that, what it's going to do is simply go ahead and ask you to add a username and password. And once you add it, it's going to be your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and